My Cookie Chemistry project is about chemistry and basketball, which have surprisingly a lot in common. The first example of this is potential and kinetic energy.
So this is
Now, as we were watching Aaron Gordon complete this amazing dunk, let's look at some of the energies he is using to do it. As he stops all of his momentum, he is creating a really high potential energy. But when he jumps, he converts all that energy into kinetic energy. Electrons. You know, it's crazy to me that someone could give this dunk a 9 out of 10. But some people are just so negative we have to classify them as electrons. Neutrons. You'd think that after hitting this game-winning shot, Derrick Rose would be ecstatic. However, he is calm as can be, just like a neutron. Protons. Steph Curry is always positive and dancing, and that is why he is a proton. Low frequency. Low frequency affects the speed of waves, and the lower it is, the slower you go. Pay attention to the bottom left-hand corner. He is slow to realize his man is open, and it results in a wide open shot. High frequency. Russell Westbrook takes the ball as fast as he can and dribbles all the way down the court and dunks it. This is why we label him high frequency. Homogeneous mixture. A homogeneous mixture consists of the same things. Heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixtures consist of different things. Dispersion bond. Dispersion bonds are the weakest kind of bond. This player and coach did not have a very good bond. That is why we compare them to dispersion bonds.
You know, our coach has to recognize, when he has a certain group out there and they're getting the job done, you have to leave those guys on the floor.
I thought we played really well for 44 minutes, 8-point lead with 4 minutes to go, and we just quit playing.
Needless to say, the coach was fired and the player was on a different team the next year. Ionic bond. An ionic bond is the strongest kind of bond, and that is why we compare this coach and this player to an ionic bond. These forces joined together in 1997 and still haven't broken apart from each other. Endothermic reaction. An endothermic reaction is where the system absorbs energy from the surroundings. Pay attention to the energy of the crowd before and after the game-winning shot. When he makes the shot, the crowd loses all of its energy. Exothermic reaction. An exothermic reaction is where energy is given off from the system.
You could hear it too. You could hear the smack when he got hit.
Apparently was Ferry.
I don't know if it was malicious. I didn't really get a chance to see that. But Barry normally is not that type of player.
Miami being restrained.
This particular reaction happens to be pretty spontaneous.
Well, Camby still trying to get it. Ferry, that's a bad move. The scratch that will lead to a suspension.
Someone is hurt over.
Seth, is this what you really wanted?
It's hard for us to tell who was hit.